There are two types of software development models. They are the Waterfall and Agile models. As a technical writer, you may find yourself working with both types of software groups and teams. In the Waterfall model, a software product is envisioned as a whole in the very beginning, in the what we call design specifications step. Like a product manager goes out there and decides what the market wants. So you have certain features of a product that's been determined from the very beginning. Then there are the functional specs of the software where the team decides, the management, in order to have such and such features, what should be the technical specifications of this software product. And once that's completely done and over with, comes the development phase in which developers, software engineers, code and develop every feature of the product that was envisioned or promised by the product manager. And the project management makes sure the process is completed in a timely fashion according to a calendar. When that is done, comes the testing part of it, engineering testing, unit testing, system testing, and then the quality assurance. Make sure the whole product A to Z meets certain quality standards with regression testing. Whatever new features you have, they make sure that those new features work well together with the existing features. And then you as a technical writer, you document the whole product A to Z. So if we use an automotive analogy in Waterfall model, the whole car is first designed, and then the whole car, bumper to bumper, is manufactured. Then you as a technical writer document the whole car with every single feature in it. Then the product is released to the market. Now, the problem with this model is, what if the market walks away from you by the time you develop this software product? What if the customer says, well, this is not exactly what I wanted? Or, well, it was what I wanted, but I changed my mind. My needs have changed in this, rapidly changing world. So there's a risk that all that effort may go to waste, or at least not deliver 100% of what was asked. Agile method, in contrast, your time period is like 2 to 3 weeks. You work in 3-week spurts. And what you develop is not the whole car, or let's say just a bumper or a seat. You develop something that could be delivered to the customer. If it were delivered, it would work completely. What's called like a minimally viable product. It should work at its own level as an independent unit. So as a technical writer in such a fast-moving environment where you are part of a smaller team, you document whatever tiny little piece, independent piece is developed during that what's called sprint cycle. So it's a totally different working environment in which the management, of course, have an overall idea where this process is heading for, but if you are in the development or documentation team, or testing, quality control, assurance, you are always testing one small part of the overall product. So that at least you make sure that that's what the customer wants, that's what's ready for the market. So that if there's an error, mistake, all you lose is 2 or 3 weeks you don't lose 9 months or 18 months of labor and effort. So it is a risk minimization strategy as I understand it, and there are many different implementations of Agile method, of course, but I think this is the trend of the future. In the years to come, as a technical writer, you will probably find yourself as a part of a Agile team rather than the Waterfall team, so to speak. So, with that, I see you in the next video.